Welcome to the Make Money tutorial, Advanced Edition. Today, we're going to take you through some of the top features and what's new in our latest Make Money tutorial, designed to help you unlock new levels of success in real estate investing. This time, we're focusing on our DCRM loan, hard money lenders, and the real estate hack. First up, let's talk about the DCRM loan. This stands for Development Capital Reinvestment Mortgage, a unique type of mortgage that allows investors to use their development capital to finance property loans. This can be a powerful tool for investors looking to grow their portfolio without relying on traditional bank financing. Now, let's dive into hard money lenders. Hard money lenders are private investors who specialize in providing loans for commercial and residential real estate projects. They typically have greater access to capital and can provide loans with lower interest rates than traditional banks. This can be an excellent option for investors looking to secure loans with higher upfront fees and faster closings. Finally, let's explore the real estate hack, a proven strategy that can help you make significant profits in the real estate market. The real estate hack involves buying undervalued properties with cash and then flipping them for a profit. This requires a combination of financial literacy, market knowledge, and determination. Our Make Money tutorial provides valuable insights and strategies to help you succeed in this exciting field. In summary, the Make Money tutorial, Advanced Edition, offers a comprehensive guide to the latest trends and tools in real estate investing. From the DCRM loan to the real estate hack, you'll learn how to unlock new levels of success with no money down and access to private money lenders. So, if you're ready to take your investing to the next level, be sure to join our community today.